Do you worry about the markets? And I know you don't look at the markets day in, day out, but there seems to be a bias in the markets that actually inflation is coming down and that central banks will be, ready to not hike as much as maybe, they will. So is there a danger that the market is mispricing something that will then create an event?
Well, the markets have been off since the start of this year. I mean, if you look at the expectations of the policy rate path in some countries, especially the US, they were expecting 3 rate cuts this year for US Fed policy, and they have adjusted. They've come back now to recognizing that no, we are here for longer than was expected. So I think markets have been very optimistic, and I suspect they're still somewhat optimistic about the path for interest rates.
What do they most misunderstand? Is it the fact that interest rates have to remain higher for longer, which Christine Lagarde actually laid out beautifully in her speech, or that they have to rise higher than expected?
I think it's how long they're going to stay at that. I think that's the part where there is a disconnect between the markets and what central banks are signaling. And so far, it's the markets that have had to correct to central bank paths as opposed to the other way around. So I still think that they're off a bit on the duration for which they'll have to keep rates high.